Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
5 managing committee members who have come to this court calling upon for a meeting so that nominations can be sent to the BCCI. Now they had preempted that they were preempting a name of Rohan Dessai, okay, without even taking a meeting, and they were just calling upon the president and the secretary to go ahead and give that name without even calling a meeting. So today the court has said and hold a meeting today at 2 o'clock.
And what would be the agenda?
The agenda is sending nomination to the BCCI for the purpose of BCCI elections.
Taken initially in the meeting by majority, Rohan Dessai will be the representative. त्याचे नाव दत्ता रोहन गाव देसाई. ही मीटिंग मुलदली मी घेईन असले ऍज पर द कोर्ट डायरेक्शन ती मीटिंग आयज झाली कळ्ळें. त्या मिटिंगेन आमी रोहन गाव देसाईचें नाव प्रपोज केलें.